What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Jam here. Today we're at the grave of Joshua L. Cowen. And you might be wondering, what is the L for? Well, if I told you it's for Lionel. Yes, like Lionel Model Trains. I present to you the co-founder of Lionel Trains. Let's talk to him. Hello?
Assume. Speak. Benefit. Breast. Operation. Girl. Late. Green. Benjamin. Language.
Language what?
Evidence. Stress.
Stress of what? Do you like trains?
Chord.
Do you like trains?
Like. Son. Sister. Here. Talk. Advantage. Ask.
Ask what?
Discuss. Name. Tell. Relation.
Did you mind not playing on my phone? Thank you.
Jury. Hope.
Anything else? Thank you. Huh? Thank you for the trains.
Leave.
Yes, sir.